Yeah, getting the boat out for the first time this year, using the backup camera. Going to have a good time, guys. Hope your day's doing well too. All right, everybody. Legend has the 21-foot Carolina skiff all hooked up and ready to go. I hate that little bit of squat in the rear. I got to get me some probably add a leaf. I'll do an add a leaf to it. But there's my skiff that we're going to be doing some mods to, some LEDs. You'll notice I do have the GPS trolling motor with anchor lock and the power pole. Just went with one power pole because I got a swim platform here, and the one power pole with the trolling motor will hold it just fine anywhere. So yeah, buddy, a man and his toys. It never ends, guys. It's a sickness. All right, fellas, we're on the lake. You can see the GPS trolling motor is doing its thing with the anchor lock, holding us right in position to do a little fishing, and mainly just taking the boat out to make sure everything works early spring before all the tournaments and real serious fishing starts. Oh yeah, got the power pole here to show you how it works. Yeah, man. So either way, we're good. Power pole or the trolling motor. Never have to worry about anchor.
Hey, baby.
Okay, towing the boat, I am getting about 9.9 miles per gallon, but it is a pretty heavy Carolina skiff. Okay guys, that's it for today. I appreciate you watching my video. The gas mileage on the truck was the main reason to shoot the video, and also just to give you a shot of the boat and the truck pulling the boat. So to give you a recap, the towing miles per gallon on the truck was around 10. I think I saw as high as 10.4 at one point, but 9.9 to 10.4. So I'm just saying around 10 miles per gallon towing. But that is a heavy boat. T-top, power pole, trolling motor, batteries. Got several batteries on the boat, plus all our gear. So towing was average 10, but without towing, lifted Legend usually averages around 13, 13.3, 13.4, somewhere around there. So just to give you guys some information on the gas mileage. I've also dropped the spare tire. There's no need to carry a small spare tire. It's not my daily driver. We just tow it back and forth to the lake, plus I have AAA. I don't recommend that for everyone, especially if it's your daily driver. But for me, I dropped that spare tire, and it's pretty heavy on the rear end. And I get around not having one. So, well, remember guys, like, subscribe, comment. I'll interact. I'll answer your questions best I can. If I don't know it, we will figure it out. Thanks. Have a good day.